Okay fam, so just leaving my hotel for today's episode of Destination Fitness with Carlos, and it's a special one because it is the Songkran festival, which is the New Year, the Buddhist New Year. And as you can see behind me there, got the apartment, just left the apartment. I got everything in plastic because apparently you get wet, very wet. People will splash you with water. It's part of their festival, put powder on your face and everything else. So it's the first time I'm doing it. So I've got my special cameras, a waterproof case for this camera here. So I can't even see what I'm talking at the moment because normally I've got a little viewfinder. So anyway, we'll see how it goes. I'm just making sure that I don't get wet while I've got the camera out. Got my camera in plastic for the Instagram, and we'll see how it goes, guys. So I'm going to film more when I get down to Pattaya itself, but I'm looking forward to it. So the traffic to get into Pattaya at the moment is hectic. I don't even know if I'm going to be able to get there. So I'm going to walk down one of the sois here in Jomtien where I am, and I'm sure I'm going to get wet. Oh, there's some of the kids. Hello. So, alright, I got splashed a little bit. It's not as hectic as most places. I'm walking past the bus here up the top. Oh man. Alright, anyway, I'm just seeing whether there's going to be more down here. Hello! Oh well, okay. Well, lucky I got my waterproof camera, guys, so I just copped one in the stomach before. But it is pretty full on. I'm walking, as you can see, this road here. It's a busy soy. There are a lot of bars are here in Jomtien. I don't normally come down here. I'm coming down here for the moment because I don't know if I'm going to be able to get to Pattaya. We'll see. Oop, I don't want to walk on the tiles, they're damn slippery. Woo, okay. Actually the water, the water is actually ice cold. There's ice water they throw at you. And to be honest with you, the ice water actually cools you down, so I'm not too worried about it. Alright guys. So a few other people there shooting water, and I'll show you what it looks like. Hello. Hello. So as you can see, quite a bit of traffic, but not too much going on down here, so I might stop filming soon. I got splashed a few times, which is nice. Like I said, cools you down. Oh, actually, I can see up ahead here. They're going to be doing a bit more on the other side of the road. So I'm going to try and cross. So I better switch my bag around. Oh, here we go. Hello, how are you? So I'm just crossing on the other side of the road. Here we go. Hello. Okay, guys, wash me. So I got soaked there again, guys. One of the guys was actually drunk. So anyway, I'm enjoying it, guys, because it is very, very hot here at the moment. Like I said, I got everything in my waterproof camera, so that's good. So everything's waterproofed. You've got to be prepared. You know you're going to get wet, so there's no point getting upset about it. But the people are all nice about it, so it's all good. Hello. Woo! Wow, that was cold. Oh man, well, I'll tell you what, it feels good. I'm a sucker for punishment. But anyway, guys, that's what they do. They throw water at you. But this is nothing. This is just Jomtien. Pattaya is where all the action is, but the only thing is I don't know how I'm going to get down there. The traffic is just hectic. So I'll switch the camera off now because this is the main part of the soy, as you can see behind me. And then I'll see if there's if I can get down to Pattaya somehow. Okay, fam, so now I'm at Pattaya Beach. Don't know if you can see me, I don't know if you can hear me properly, but we're now going to go through where all the waterworks is happening at Songkran. Okay, let's see how we go down here, guys. lifeguards down here. It looks pretty hectic down there, guys. Songkran. It's a Thai New Year. Hopefully this camera is well waterproofed and water protected. I'm surprised there's not many accidents here at the moment. Let's go. Uh-oh, here we go. Here we go. Oh man, this is pretty hectic now. Oh, I'm already too wet, I'm too wet. Huh? Oh, no. Let me get more wet, then I can come outside. Oh, jeez. Getting assaulted here, guys. Getting assaulted and accosted. Oh, man. It's all fun. Everyone's enjoying themselves. Oh, jeez. Okay, this down here looks a bit hectic, doesn't it, down there?
Not many have survived.
It's going to be a quick run. I know. There we go. Oh, man. They're getting smashed here. Oh man, Leo! Oh man, bloody hell!
Having a wild eye,
oh man, I'll tell you what, I've just come down by myself. Yes. I'm just filming for YouTube.
Yeah, I see you. I love all the gels there.
Oh wow. And we've got Leo from YouTube here. I hope this is all going to come out on this camera as well.
Take a little this much.
Sure. Right guys, I don't know how good this is going to come out. I have a feeling it's fogging up my lens. So we'll see what happens when I cut it out, guys. Hopefully the video comes out, because you're not going to be able to get this again, guys. It's pretty full on. I'm just trying my hardest not to get the water in my mouth, because you don't want this water in your mouth, guys. So I might just check the lens on the camera now. The camera's not fogging up too much. Come on this side, guys, because we're starting on the other side. It's just full on, guys. You're going to get soaked. You just got to take it. The water is ice cold too. They literally put in ice. Okay guys, so yesterday I did Pattaya for you, Songkran, still Songkran. Now I'm going down the soy, one of the main soys in Jomtien where I live. Not where I live exactly, but one of the soys in the area that I live. So it's not as hectic as it is over in, what do you call it? It's not as hectic as it is over in Pattaya, which is the main area. But I can see there's some people having fun down here as well, so I'll try and film that and see what happens when we go down there as well. So we're getting it, as you can see, there's all bars down here as well. And what you can see when you see the bars, there's all people at the bars having a drink. But there are people that are getting a bit wet, so we'll see what happens when I get closer down there. So it's all fun, guys. You're going to expect to get wet. Oh, when the one close. So everyone's got their stuff on and ready to get wet, and they're all trying to wet people up. Hi guys, how are you? Hello. So they're wetting all of us there. I like the cold water. Oh, thank you guys, thank you. So as you can see guys, you still get soaked even down here, Jomtien. It's all good though. The water's nice and cold. Oh, so a bit of smash there. Hey, you're right there. So everyone's getting smashed there guys, so it's all good. Oh, I'll tell you what, that water's cool again. Every time they give you that cool water, it feels so good guys. But anyway, that was it. Yesterday the camera lens started getting fogged up and watery, so I'm hoping it doesn't get like that today. But that was the main part there guys, that just went through where you got all soaked. It was all good. Oh geez, I knew that was going to happen, but it was, it's actually pretty cool, so I enjoyed that. But anyway guys, this is it, Songkran. And like I said, Pattaya, Jomtien is the quieter part of Pattaya. So as you can see, there's all bars and stuff. This is a bar area, this one here. Nothing compared to Pattaya, but it's not too bad. So this area is where people come down for a drink and a night out. Not really my scene, but it's all good. People enjoy it. But uh-oh, here we go. I think there's something else happening here. I think they just... You're right. So the guys are getting also wet. I think some people think because I've got the camera, they're worried about throwing the water at me. Whereas in hello. What, you got no water to throw people? Oh, you have got water. Okay. Sorry. Money to come in? Yeah. Okay. So anyway, guys. Wow. So it's all good guys. Anyway, I'm heading, so where I was there, I started Second Road. So this soy goes all the way down to Beach Road, which is the main road in Pattaya. But like I said guys, I just film all the way through. Got all the kids here enjoying it. People with their cameras. They've all got their kids there guys, just enjoying their time, so it's all good. I'm making sure I wipe my mouth with my t-shirt because I don't want to get all the water in my mouth. Hello. Oh, thank you, thank you. Oh. Hello. Welcome. That's what you hear, guys. Welcome from everyone. Okay, I'm getting down here, so it looks like there's a few more people down this side as well. Oh, they're all doing their praise. Uh-oh. So here we go. Oh, they're all wetting everybody. Ooh. Oh. There we go. Oh, it's nice and cool. That's nice and cool. Oh, thank you, thank you. Wow. Oh God. You don't know how you don't know how good that feels. Oh, thank you. Oh guys. Hey, good shot. They're in the pools, they're having a good shot. All the dirty old men are down here, guys, so they're all trying to get... Oh, yes, get my face. Oh, wow. Anyway, this is where all the dirty old men come, guys. They all try to hit on the bartenders, thinking that they're going to get a bartender for service. But anyway, good luck to them. Anyway, guys, that's it. Now I've come out to the other end of the story, Beach Road, which you've seen before in my videos. But that's it, guys. We're all soaked here. Oh, these guys are going through that water. They don't realise that they're going to get soaked down there, guys. When you're in those buses, you're going to get smashed. They don't realise they're going to get smashed down there. So there they go. They're all getting smashed. Anyway, guys, I'm just going to walk down to the beach. That was really it, basically. When it comes down to, what do you call it? Jomtien. There's a few other streets where you're going to see this kind of thing, but nothing like Pattaya. So make the most of that. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video, guys. This is their Songkran, Thai New Year. This is how they celebrate it. It's a lot of fun, but just make sure you get prepared to be wet, and also have your stuff in plastic and all that kind of stuff to make sure that if you've got any valuables, they don't get damaged, which I've come prepared for. Anyway, guys, that's it. Hope you've enjoyed these videos of Songkran, and until the next one, we'll do another video soon. We'll see how we go. Signing off from Jomtien Beach, guys. There you go.